Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and today we will be doing the contest results for the video we posted on February 2nd. Now, the gist of the contest was that you guys were supposed to say something awesome about Sticky Fingers 745, and without further waiting, let's go pick a winner. Come on, here we go. Winner, chicken dinner. Let's go. Come on. Winner, Stick 13. As always, great review. Sticky is demand. Well, Stick 13, you are demand. Congratulations. Yay, you win. You get the bell. Yay. You get some confetti. Yay, congratulations, Stick 13. Okay, here's what you do. Stick 13, you need to contact me via email at info@ForeignMRE.com. Let me know that you heard us call your name and we will send your prize to you. So congratulations, Stick 13, and thanks to everyone for participating in our giveaway. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.